Welcome to this tutorial on how to use FabFilter Pro Q3 to record music with tips and tricks. In this video, we will explore the various features and functionalities of this powerful music production tool. First, let's talk about the interface. FabFilter Pro Q3 has a sleek and intuitive interface that allows you to easily navigate and access all the necessary controls. The main display shows the frequency spectrum of your audio, with each band represented by a colored line. Output. One of the standout features of Pro Q3 is its dynamic EQ functionality. This allows you to dynamically adjust the EQ settings based on the audio signal. You can set up different EQ curves for different parts of your audio, ensuring that each element of your mix gets the perfect treatment. Another useful feature is the EQ match. This allows you to match the EQ settings of one audio track to another. Simply select the reference track, and Pro Q3 will analyze its frequency spectrum and apply the same EQ settings to your target track. This is a great way to achieve consistency in your mix. Pro Q3 also offers a wide range of filter types, including low pass, high pass, band pass, and notch filters. You can easily adjust the cutoff frequency and resonance of each filter to shape your sound exactly the way you want it. In addition to these features, Pro Q3 provides a comprehensive set of tools for precise audio editing. You can zoom in on the frequency spectrum to make precise adjustments, and even solo individual bands to hear their impact on the overall sound. To enhance your workflow, Pro Q3 offers a variety of keyboard shortcuts and customizable settings. You can save and recall your favorite presets, making it easy to switch between different EQ settings for different tracks. In conclusion, FabFilter Pro Q3 is a powerful and versatile tool for recording music. Its intuitive interface, dynamic EQ functionality, EQ match, and comprehensive set of tools make it a must-have for any music producer. So go ahead and give it a try and take your music production to the next level.